This is the Motorola Edge 40, the company's first smartphone in the new Edge series that is launched in India. The phone packs some premium hardware while being priced very aggressively. Motorola calls the Edge 40 a flagship killer, and at Rs 29,999 it offers many best-in-class features. While our review is in progress, here's our first impressions and a quick unboxing of the Edge 40. Motorola is going the environmentally friendly route when it comes to the retail box. Fortunately, it is just limited to the packaging materials, which consist of plastic-free wrappers, recyclable box cover and soil ink for the printed text. The company has bundled a transparent hard case along with some documents and a SIM eject tool. Next, there is the Motorola Edge 40 in its nebula green color. You also get a charger and a USB Type-C cable in the box. Moving on to the phone itself, the Motorola Edge 40 has been launched in two finishes. Our nebula green variant features a vegan leather back panel. There is also an eclipse black variant with a vegan leather back and a lunar blue color with a PMMA acrylic finish, which is essentially plastic but with a frosted glass-like look. The Motorola Edge 40 is quite slim at 7.58mm and only weighs 171 grams. It's worth noting that the blue variant with the plastic back is a tiny bit slimmer and lighter. The metal frame gives the Edge 40 a premium touch and adds to the good in-hand feel. It also has a curved frame and rear panel, which helps the phone rest comfortably in your palm. The Edge 40 is also IP68 rated and is claimed to be the world's slimmest 5G smartphone to get an official certification for water and dust resistance. On the front, the Motorola Edge 40 has a 6.55-inch POLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate. The curved edge screen has a hole punch cutout at the top for the 32-megapixel front camera. The Full HD Plus display gets HDR10 certification and claims to offer up to 1200 nits of peak brightness. The Motorola Edge 40 has a dual camera setup on the back. It features a 50-megapixel primary camera with an f1.47 aperture, which is the widest in the segment. Theoretically, it should help capture more light while maintaining a faster shutter speed. There is also a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera with autofocus, which means that it can be used to shoot macro images as well. In addition to this, the Edge 40's ultra-wide camera can shoot portrait images at 24mm, 35mm and 50mm. We'll be testing how well these features actually work in the full review. Under the hood, there's a MediaTek Dimensity 8020 SoC, which is based on a 6nm fabrication process. The device comes with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage in India. It also packs a sizable 4400 mAh battery with support for 68W turbo power fast charging out of the box. In addition to this, the Edge 40 also supports 15W wireless charging. In terms of software, Motorola Edge 40 runs on the Android 13 based MyUX kit. It offers a near-stock Android experience with some customization and personalization features added on top. There are also some neat productivity, security and connectivity features such as ThinkShield, Ready For, etc. More about the Motorola Edge 40 coming up in the full review soon. Meanwhile, make sure you subscribe to Gadgets 360 for all things tech and more.